Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Meghna Manjrekar Hauls and Reviews. On my channel you can find lots of hauls. Under hauls section I do have like videos for makeup, skincare, clothing, bag hauls and like accessories hauls. In that I do have lot of like shoes and all, lot of videos. I think you name it and mostly I have it. And under review section I do have a lot of reviews for makeup, skincare, and I also have a separate playlist for new launch product. That is, under that particular playlist you can find mostly all the new launch products which is reviewed by me. Alright, and definitely I have lot of comparison videos also on my channel. So if you are looking out for this kind of videos, then yes, you are at the right place. Please do consider subscribing my channel. That is, you can press the red subscribe button. Next to it there is a small bell icon. You can hit that bell icon as well for the notifications about my future uploads. And since it is absolutely free, even you can ask your friends and family also to subscribe my channel. And of course, if you want to follow me on Instagram as well as on the Facebook, the links of the same will also be given in the description box. So if you want, you can check that out as well and you can follow me over there also. Right, now from the thumbnail and from the title itself, you all must have got a little bit of idea that today I am going to review basically two products, different categories but of the same brand. I am talking about the Kavshan Lashes brand. Okay, in that you all must be aware they have launched a new product, that is cover pots. I have already done one separate video for cover pots, that is I have taken two shades and I have already reviewed in detailed review is already up on my channel. I'll link that video up in the I button as well as in the description box. So if you have not watched that video, after watching this video you can definitely go and watch that video as well. Now then you will say, what is the difference between that video and like what are you going to talk about in today's video? So in today's video, in that video I have spoken about the foundation, that is the base product. Now in today's video I am going to like talk about the color corrector. Yes, color corrector. Basically in under cover pots they have come out with total 18 shades, out of which 15 shades are for the base, okay, and 3 shades are for color correction. Alright, they say you can use this for all different kind of purposes, that is you can use it as a foundation, you can use it as a concealer, you can use it as a color corrector, as well as you can use it for spot correcting and all that as well. But as far as my knowledge is that orange color you cannot use it as foundation or maybe concealer. So definitely this is what they are talking about is only used for color corrector, and that is what they have said. 15 products for base product and the rest of 3 are for color correction. So today I am going to review the orange color corrector, that is the shade number 16. You all must have seen the packaging. I'll just show you the packaging. Okay, this is the shade number 16. In this they don't have any light orange, dark orange or nothing like that. They have only come up with one single shade of orange, which is shade number 16. And I think they have another like 2 more correctors. One is lavender and one is green. If I am not wrong, I'll specify in the description box, so don't forget to check. Now when we will talk about the content, the net content is 14 grams, 14, and the MRP is 225 rupees and it looks like this. This is the color, that is like we are talking about the orange color corrector. Now what I'll do in like the other product, I'll just tell you, I have ordered that color pots. This color pots is actually not a new launch. This is like 3 or 4 months old product, but when I was ordering all this, I thought might as well order one color pot as well. So I just come to know how the texture and how the like pot works. So that is why I'm going to review today 2 products both in one video. This is their shade number 14 TBT, same 225 rupees, 14 grams, and it looks like this. They say this you can use it as multi-purpose. Basically this is used for body painting as well as face painting. This is safe to use on face as well. So definitely, and it removes with the like normal water. Now I'll tell you one scene. Before this video, I have already shooted this whole video. The thing was there was some problem with the mic. So I had to remove everything and I have to reshoot the whole video. So that is why I am telling you, easily you can clean it this with easily water. It goes off. Of course, little bit shine you can see, because since the color which I have ordered is with glitter, not glitter, it's with little bit sheen, you can see. So little bit sheen you can see, but then definitely after 1 or 2 wash, even that will also go off. So, and if you can see some sheen, I don't know whether it is visible on the hands or no, even you can see, because I had swatched in my hand also during that video. I had swatched on my hand also, so that is why, and that is why I can tell you easily that this goes off with water, normal water. Okay, and this is orange color corrector. Now what I'll do is, I have already prepped my skin, that is I have already applied moisturizer as well as I have applied the primer. Now we will just apply the color corrector under my eyes. I'll show you, I'll in front of camera only I will apply orange color corrector. After that I will just go and apply the full face of makeup, and then I'll tell you my review. That is totally my review. If you want to, like, I am not a makeup artist or nothing, but this is just my experience and how I use the product. I am going to share that in this video, right? So we will just apply under the eyes. So these are my clean hands. I'll just take it with my hands and I apply it directly with my hand. I'll just apply under the eyes. I won't go over the lids. I'll just apply because I have little bit problem of dark circle. So I've just taken, I'll just show you the swatch. Actually I forgot to show you the swatch. This is the swatch of the orange color corrector. Okay, if you want to see different kinds of orange color corrector what I have in my collection, then definitely do let me know. I have 3-4 different types of orange color corrector. I can show you. I can swatch on my face and I can show you. Now you all can see I have already applied orange color corrector. Now what I'll do is, I'll just go apply the full face of makeup, then I'll come with the review how it, like how I'm applying the concealer, whether it is applying smoothly or anything or something, whatever. I'll just let you know at that time. Alright, so now I'll just come up. Yes, I'm back with the full face of makeup. I'll just tell you what I have applied. For the primer, I have used the Sugar Base of Glory primer. For foundation, I have used my Makeup Revolution Fast Base Stick foundation in the shade F12, if you are eager to know. I have used my loved concealer, Swiss Beauty concealer. I have already one full detailed review video on this concealer. I'll link that video up in the I button as well as in the description box. Now the best part is, I have reviewed this concealer in 2 different languages. One is in Hindi and one is in English. I'll try to link both the videos up in the I button. So don't forget to check. So foundation, told you, Swiss Beauty concealer in the shade 1 Warm Sand 01. This is just for your information. For compact, for setting the face, just to apply, dust off the powder, I have used my Nail Compact. For my cheeks, I have used Etude House Dear Darling Lip and Cheek Tint. Okay, and for my lips, I have used Insight Cosmetics matte lipstick, bullet lipstick in the shade Cherry Wine. I have used that. And for mascara, as you all know, I have used my Maybelline. And for setting spray, I have used this Wet n Wild Natural Finish setting spray. This is just for your information if you want to know. Okay, now you all can see I have already applied the concealer over the orange color corrector. I cannot see any kind of, like, it's almost 10 to 15 minutes. I cannot see any kind of creasing till now. And before this also, as I have told you already, I have I've already filmed one video. In that also I was not like, I could not see any kind of creasing or anything, and the the corrector was so smooth that I can easily apply my concealer over it and I didn't find any difficulty. Now what I'll do is, I'll just, basically this is a body paint. Now you can use this body paint in different ways. You can use it as your eyeliner, that is the gel liner kind of, you can use it that way. You can use on your face as well as on the body, and you can use it as eyeshadow as well. Now what I'll do is, I'll take a little bit, I'm telling you, I am not a pro at makeup or something. I'm just trying to experiment different things. So what I'll do is, I'll just take the mirror, I'll take this and I'll just try to apply little bit on my eyelids. I want to see, and of course this you need to set with translucent powder, but I will not set, I will just keep it as it is. I just want to know, I just want to see if this is one and done kind of eyeshadow, like just apply, tap and done. Then I'm that kind of a girl, because I've already reviewed one, I have already done one video on K Beauty as well as Seri Cosmetics eyeshadow stick. I am basically that kind of a person who is like not into eyeshadows much. So I link that video, K Beauty and Seri Cosmetics one, I link that video up in the I button as well as in the description box. So now we'll talk about this. What I'll do is, it's very buttery. You all can see this is the swatch. I'll just take little bit and I'll just apply, not much. Let's see. right? Not applied properly. Just you want to see. Of course, you need to work with the brush and all. I'm just trying to see whether I can apply directly with fingers or no. But if you want the finesse, that is the perfect finishing and all, definitely you should apply with the brush. That is, you can just make out some lines and like then you can apply. You need to set this with some setting powder, like that is translucent powder. Otherwise, you have to give time to this, because this is little bit because this is paint, so it will take little bit of time to dry out. But y'all can see, you can easily spread. If you want to spread also somewhere a bigger part of your face or maybe your body, you can easily spread with your fingers as well. So yeah, basically I have covered each and every, I've just shown you. I know this is not the way to apply, but still we are just experimenting over here, right? We are learning together. So I have like covered each and everything in this video. But still, if you have anything to ask me or if you have any query, definitely do leave your precious comment in the comment section. As well as if you have any other video suggestions on which you want me to make a video on, that also definitely you can leave it in the comment section, or you can DM me on Instagram as well. I will definitely try to revert you as soon as possible. And yeah, if you're watching till here, that means you're liking my content. If yes, then please give it a huge thumbs up, share this video with your friends and family, and yeah, that is all. If you have any, so thank you so much for watching. Bye.